Hey guys, so today we're gonna open and unbox the Lego Dimensions for the Wii U, the starter pack. I already opened it, but I haven't opened all the stuff in it. Just opened the main box. So this is the excuse me, this is where the Legos come in. All the Legos. Sorry, Elf is in the background. Hold on. This, I took out the cardboard. So this, I'm not sure, I think this is the base. And then this is the game. Let's check this out. So yeah, this is the game. Shows you all the different things you can do. Let me focus. Yeah. So it just shows you some of the different sets. I really want the Doctor Who set, and this came with it. It says, please do not return to store. Yeah, so it's just telling you not to return it to the store. Oh, wait, also on the bottom of that, it tells you, I think it tells you how to build a portal, or just different things. Hold on a sec. It says track your collection, grow your adventure. Oh, basically it just, I want this one right here. That's the Dalek, the Cyberman, the K9, the 11th Doctor, and the TARDIS. I want that one. So it's just, there's little check marks in each of them. Check out your collection. That's just what that's for. So let's go ahead